structures of subinguinal hiatus and greater and lesser sciatic foramen and branches of sacral plexus. This somehow it's like considered long topic. First, borders and structures of subinguinal hiatus. What's the meaning of this? Anything down to inguinal ligament. Anything down to the inguinal ligament. So it's here. Let me show you. This one. This one will be the subinguinal hiatus. If this inguinal ligament, which extends from the pubic tubercle up to the anterior superior iliac spine, so anything down, it will be subinguinal hiatus. Actually, it will be subdivided to 3 compartments, 3 rooms. We call them lacuna. Lacuna. So which lacuna? Lacuna musculonervosa, lateral, lacuna vasorum in the middle, and lacuna lymphatica, medial. Lacuna musculonervosa, lacuna vasorum, and lacuna lymphatica. Lacuna musculonervosa, what it has? It has muscle and nerve. Which muscle? Iliopsoas muscle, excellent. And which nerve? And femoral nerve. And femoral nerve. Lateral cutaneous nerve of the thigh, femoral nerve, and this muscle iliopsoas, it's forming this area. But what about here? Vasorum, it means femoral artery, femoral vein, the vessels. Femoral artery, femoral vein, while they are running inside the sheath. Femoral sheath. But here, in the lacuna,
femoral branch of genitofemoral.
Yes, femoral branch of genitofemoral nerve. It will be running over the artery. Running over the artery. Do you remember we said this from yesterday? So here it was femoral nerve, but here it will be femoral branch of genitofemoral nerve. Okay? And here in the lacuna lymphatica, we have the lacunar ligament, which was like extension from the inguinal ligament, and also we have lymph node. We called it lymph node of Cloquet. That's why we called it lacuna lymphatica. What is lymph node of Cloquet? One lymph node actually, or just one, or maybe 2 maximum. It will be inside the femoral canal. Inside the femoral canal. Okay? So this will be the area of subinguinal hiatus. Really, is it clear? So again, muscular nervosa, and here lacuna vasorum, and here lacuna lymphatica. Anything you are describing, anything down to the inguinal ligament. Then structures
The
is
inguinal canal goes through it as well.
above. Inguinal canal now it will be above. Can we see this inguinal canal? Above, but this sub-inguinal, which means I am down to the inguinal ligament. But inguinal canal, it was everything above the inguinal ligament. Inguinal ligament, it was the floor. Really, is it clear? What do you need to ask about? Why it's still confusing?
No, it's clear.
Yes, so this will be inguinal canal and this subinguinal hiatus.
And the opening of the inguinal canal, is it
Here, yes, this superficial, and can you see this one? This is spermatic cord. Can you see this is spermatic cord comes from the superficial inguinal ring, and here it will be the deep inguinal ring, and this inguinal canal. Okay?
the boundary?
The boundaries, here we have inguinal ligament from above, and downwards we have this, which is pectinate line, which covered by pectinate ligament up to the iliac crest. Up to the iliac crest. So it will be like this. For example, where is inguinal ligament? From anterior superior iliac spine up to pubic tubercle. So it's like this. So you are describing where is the subinguinal hiatus? Yes, this subinguinal hiatus completely from here to here. So it's divided to muscular nervosa, and here vasorum, and here lymphatica. But where is inguinal canal? It's here. It's here, this inguinal canal, but this subinguinal hiatus, which leads to the lower limb. That's why most of structures, it's going to the lower limb.
And where's the femoral hiatus?
Femoral hiatus? Yes, which is femoral canal. This one, if this inguinal ligament, so here we have the femoral sheath, and the femoral sheath, what it has? It has artery and vein. It's like this. Artery and vein and canal. Try to imagine that this empty space. So it will be like this exactly, in this order. Like this. So this will be actually like this from medial to lateral. Vein, artery, and the femoral canal. So this orange will be the femoral canal. But this will be the femoral artery and this femoral vein. Over the artery we have a nerve. Femoral branch of genitofemoral nerve. But already outside here we have a nerve, which is femoral nerve. Femoral nerve.
But
Really?
the canal is not part of
The femoral canal, it's part from lymphatica now. It will be part from the lymphatica. So we have femoral artery like this. Here, lacunar ligament and femoral canal, femoral artery, femoral vein, femoral artery. So all of this is considered what? Only these two, vasorum. But the canal together with lacunar ligament forming the lymphatica. But only the muscle and the femoral nerve, it will be the muscular nervosa.
What's the difference between the femoral canal and the hiatus?
It's the same, femoral canal or hiatus. And femoral ring is the opening which leads to. Femoral ring is the opening which leads to the canal. Okay? So this will be the subinguinal hiatus.